Hello, friends. Welcome back to What I Ate Wednesday on Mary's Test Kitchen. As always, we start bright and early. I'll apologize in advance if I sound funny. My voice has been having a rough time lately. Allergy season has struck pretty hard this year. I guess I'm babying myself a little bit. With cake for breakfast. It has to stand a minute. Good time to make yin yang, half coffee and half tea, though I'm doing it my own way with instant hazelnut flavored coffee. This apple cake is so fluffy, just enough sweetness from maple syrup, a little texture from chopped apples. It's just perfect. Of course, I needed some soy milk for the coffee tea, or tea coffee. It's my version of a yin yang or yin yang, a popular drink found on Hong Kong-style cafe menus. After breakfast, I started preparing right away for dinner. You see, it's so warm lately that I don't want to cook anything inside after 11 a.m. So I'm taking advantage of the cooler morning temperatures. Can you guess what I'm making? You could cheat and peek at the description. That's where all the recipes will be linked, by the way. those steam for an hour. Good thing I work from home, so I can sort of pay attention to that while I get stuff done. And by get stuff done, I mean get distracted by this tub of Ben & Jerry's vegan-friendly ice cream. I don't think I've had this flavor before. It's not bad. I mean, pretty good, but not as creamy as the So Delicious cashew-based ice cream in my opinion. I do like the brownie bits in there. They make this sort of icy almond-based ice cream a lot nicer. When the sausages are finished steaming, I just let them cool for a while. Then I unwrap them, and they can go in the fridge. After having both cake and ice cream before noon, it was time for something a little more nutritious. For dinner, I fired up the grill. While it was nice and hot, I added the Scallion Seitan Sausages from earlier today. I'm brushing them with oil to prevent them from sticking, and hopefully prevent them from drying out since they don't contain much fat. They only need to heat through those, so 2 minutes later I flip them. And brushed on some more oil. Then into a snug bun, plus some aquafaba mayo mixed with some gochujang, and chopped up bread and butter pickles. Tasty, but a little dry to be honest. Next time, I'll probably add some coconut oil to the seitan dough or blend in some sauteed mushrooms to help retain the moisture level. But not bad for the start of the grilling season. What are you looking forward to grilling? Let me know in the comments below. And that was my food day. Pretty fun. I hope you had a fun food day too. As always, thank you so much for watching. I really mean it even though I tell you like almost every week. You guys are the reason I make these videos, and I pretty much live for your comments. and the photos you send me over Instagram when you make one of my recipes. I get stupidly happy, and you best believe I show them off to my friends. Well, mostly my boyfriend, who indulges me while I squeal about how amazing you guys are. Anyways, until next week, bye for now.